Hello everyone, this is Monica and welcome here Think Passive Income. Interested in starting an e-commerce store but don't have ton of capital you can use to buy inventory? Don't worry. Here is something to build your e-commerce store without spending any money. What is this? Let's get it. What you can do, think about how to build an Amazon affiliate store using WordPress as opposed to a regular e-commerce store. With the Amazon affiliate store, you don't have to worry or invest product development, shipping and delivery, consumer service or other operational work. There are many people in the industry, they are working as Amazon affiliate store. I have given an example, you can watch it. Well, we don't promise you that you will immediately become a millionaire, but this Amazon affiliate store using WordPress could be a viable roadmap to make money online. Ready to find out how to line up your first Amazon branch in WordPress? Allow us to begin. Here you can find a fast overview of all the steps on how to build an Amazon affiliate store using WordPress. First is Amazon affiliate store versus traditional e-commerce store. Second, introduction to Amazon affiliate store and WordPress. Third, sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Fourth, add affiliate products to WooCommerce. 5. Personalization of your affiliate store. 6. Resource to extend your affiliate income. And last, my conclusion. Then let's figure it out. Let's see what is Amazon affiliate store versus traditional e-commerce store. The beauty of Amazon affiliate store using WordPress is that they permit you to get started with e-commerce without much commitment. With the standard e-commerce store, you must choose everything. This means finding your products, importing them, packing, shipping when you receive order. With the Amazon affiliate store, you provide after sales content on all Amazon sites. The visitor will browse your web page where you have got posted and wants something to draw in them. They are going to click on your affiliate link and redirect to Amazon. Because your visitor redirect on Amazon website using your affiliate link, Amazon will track your affiliate ID and can present quality them to you. What if your customer buys something through your link on Amazon during a given specific time, 24 hours to 90 days? You will receive an honest commission. Looks good, doesn't it? First, create an account with sign on the Amazon affiliate program. Your first step is creating an account on the Amazon affiliate store. Do it by clicking this link. After submission of your request, you must have to wait for Amazon to approve your request profile. Till then, you can start choosing products and services to operate in your store. Smart tips. Before placing any products on your WordPress for your Amazon affiliate store, here are some things to stay in mind about products, whatever you'd like to market on your Amazon affiliate store. First of all, you do not advertise anything too cheap. There are not any fixed rules, but I prefer to follow products above the worth of $50 or more. This may offer you the simplest stock if you would like to market, say a few of stocks worth $5. And my second tip is always try to select products that are already demanded. There are plenty of ways of check demand. First, Jungle Scout is a device that allows you to filter products on Amazon based on demand, expected sales, seasonality and more. And my favorite, Google Trends, is a free and easy device that you can check what was airing on in demand, easily predict demand. Now that you know what things you want to know, keep in the shop. Move on to the next part. Let's build your shop. First, you have to find out an Amazon affiliate stores in WordPress. You can build some ways to line up your affiliate store, but I feel this is often surely the simplest and cheapest way is to use WordPress. Shortly, your requirement to customize your WordPress site. If you would like to run your WordPress site fast to simply accept payments for affiliated products on your website, definitely your site demand a WordPress based hosting to run your business fast, the name to give your business name and SSL certificate to security. Typically, a domain name in the industry offer cost around $14.99 a year, web hosting cost around $7.99 month, and An SSL certificate costs around $69.99 a year. But if you are a fresher, this is tough for you to pay a high price. Thankfully, Cloudways Hosting, an official hosting provider recommended by WordPress and WooCommerce, has agreed to offer our users a free SSL, a 3-day free trial, and a discount on web hosting. You can get started for $10 per month. If you want to know Cloudways Hosting, click here to read a review about Cloudways Hosting. Note, this starter hosting plan is great for any new affiliate store, especially for fresher. But if you grow day by day in an affiliate store, immediately check out their most popular plan providers. Now comes which themes will be the best. Next, you focus to put in and activate the premium coding theme for the bottom. Any website depend on the theme because it is site friendly and SEO friendly, and any post or pages appear from the theme. If you want to know about premium coding theme, click here to read a review about premium coding theme. Now next, what is an Amazon affiliate store builder? Use a WordPress affiliate store plugin like a WooCommerce affiliate store to import Amazon products to the WooCommerce store. This link will teach you how to do the first one. Once you are done, keep reading afterward. Add products to the store using the WooCommerce plugin. This is where the fun begins. You need to install the Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin, free WooCommerce plugin, and go off adding products related to your store. But first, handle to your plugins page in your WordPress dashboard. Search the WooCommerce plugin, do install it and activate it. Next, WooCommerce may now ask you to line up your store, complete all types of in-need information, and after final the last step, you will notice the create product button. Click on the button. You will be automatically directed to the add new product page, where you can type your affiliate product name, their description, and more details. Here is what is important. Be sure to specify that this is an external affiliate product rather than a regular product. After selecting the external affiliate option, you will see the new product URL and button text field. To catch your product URL, you would like to go to your Amazon Associate account dashboard, search the merchandise link above and click on it, the yellow Get Link button. Just copy the affiliate link and return to your WordPress page to stick the affiliate link. You can experiment with your button text in the future, but unless you are just getting started, I recommend sticking to something safe like your standard buy now or buy now and nothing else. Directly below the button text field are the normal price and sales price field, which you can ignore. Amazon affiliate program policy states that affiliates should not enter pricing information manually, so leave this blank. Now 2 more steps and you are done. First, add your product image and product gallery image. There is no hard and fast rule when your key hits the product image. You can use a product photo with a white background if you are looking for a clean look or lifestyle shot that present your product in a particular context. Then add a short description of your product. It will show up on your store's homepage along with your search result. This is basically it. Press the publish button and you have added your first product to your Amazon affiliate store. Now repeat and again repeat until you complete all the products that you have chosen and easily make an affiliate shopping website. So my conclusion. Affiliate e-commerce store, a blessing for entrepreneurs who want to sell products but they have no money to invest in e-commerce store or not ready to give up their full day. Comfortable start e-commerce like easily build an Amazon affiliate store using WordPress without keeping any employee and without giving them a salary. Now go ahead and sign up for the best e-commerce Amazon affiliate program. Still doubt about Amazon affiliate store? Feel free to ask me in the comments. In next topic, we will discuss most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. So keep touching with me. And last, I want to ask if you have any experience about Amazon affiliate store, so you can share with me under the comment. Thank you so much.